Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we have another very interesting question from radical expressions. We have to evaluate or simplify cube root of 20 over square root 21 plus 1 plus 12 over square root 21 plus 3 plus 10 over square root 84 plus 8. So let's get started by considering this expression equal to x first. Now I will take this expression separately. So 10 over square root 84 plus 8. Now we can simplify this radical expression. So 10 can be written as 5 times 2 over square root 84. We can write 21 times 4 as 84 plus 8. Further we can write 5 times 2 over. We can write root 21 times root 4 plus 8. Now root 4 is 2. So we can write 5 times 2 over 2 root 21 plus 8. Now 2 is common from the denominator. So 5 times 2 over 2 times root 21 plus 4. Now this 2 and 2 will be over. So our expression 10 over square root 84 plus 8, this value will be equal to 5 over square root 21 plus 4. Let us replace. So I will write x equal to cube root of 20 over square root 21 plus 1 plus 12 over square root 21 plus 3 plus 5 over square root 21 plus 4. Now I will rationalize our denominator. So we can multiply here with root 21 minus 1. So in the denominator, root 21 minus 1. Here we will take the conjugate of denominator. So root 21 minus 3, root 21 minus 3. Here we'll multiply root 21 minus 4. So in the numerator, root 21 minus 4. Now denominator is a plus b times a minus b form. So I can write the identity a plus b times a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Let us use this identity. So I can write x equal to cube root of 20 times root 21 minus 1 over root 21 square minus 1 square plus 12 times root 21 minus 3 over root 21 square minus 3 square plus 5 times root 21 minus 4 over root 21 square minus 4 square. Now here we will get denominator 20. Here we will get denominator 21 minus 9. So 12. Here we will get denominator 21 minus 16, so 5. So I can write x equal to cube root of 20 times root 21 minus 1 over 21 minus 1, let me write, plus 12 times root 21 minus 3, and denominator will be 21 minus 9 plus 10 times, it was 5. So let me write here 5 times square root 21 minus 4, and denominator will be 21 minus 16. Now I can cancel 20 with our denominator, so it will be 1, 12 with our denominator 12, 1, 5 with our denominator 5, 1. So we can write finally x is equal to cube root of root 21 minus 1 plus root 21 minus 3 plus root 21 minus 4. So x will become cube root of 3 root 21 minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 minus 8. Now we have to find out cube root. So let me consider Simon's favorite factoring trick. Let us consider cubing both sides first. So I will write power 3. This side also power 3. Cube root and cube will be over. So I can write x cube equal to 3 root 21 minus 8. Let us write here x cube equal to 3 root 21 minus 8. Now I will multiply both sides by 8. So multiplied with 8. Left hand side I can write this is 2x whole cube equal to 8 times 3, 24 root 21 minus 64. Now we can split 24 as 21 plus 3. So 21 root 21 plus 3 root 21. Now we can split minus 64 as minus 63 minus 1. Let us rearrange. So I can write 21 is square root 21 minus 1 minus 63 plus 3 root 21. Can we write 21 root 21 as root 21 whole cube minus 1 whole cube minus 3 times root 21 square times 1. This is 63 plus 3 times root 21 times 1 square. This is 3 root 21. Now I can write a minus b whole cube formula. As we are getting RHS in the form of a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So our LHS 2x whole cube, RHS root 21 minus 1 whole cube. Let us take cube root both sides. 2x will become root 21 minus 1. Now we will divide by 2 both sides. We will get our answer x equal to square root 21 minus 1 over 2. This will be our final answer. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Till next video, goodbye.